to fix GCash not sending code. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step 1. Ensure that your internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can affect the delivery of the code. Step 2. Verify your number. Double check that the phone number registered with GCash is correct and active. If the number has changed, you may need to update it in the app. Now, tap and hold GCash. Select App Info. Tap Storage Users and select Clear Cache. After that, this will help you in order to fix GCache not sending codes because sometimes corrupted app data can prevent the code from being sent properly. The fourth step is simply you have to update GCache application. Ensure you have latest version of GCache app. Go to Play Store or App Store on your device. Search for GCache. If there is update, update it to the latest version. After that, restart your phone. Hold on power button and select restart by swiping up. Sometimes simple restart of your phone can resolve temporary issues with receiving SMS messages. If none of the above solution work, you need to reach out to GCash customer support for assistance and then contact them. By following this step, you should be able to resolve the issue of not receiving verification code on GCash. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.